Are you ready to find out what will happen if you eat spinach every day? Well, buckle up because things are about to get green. Okay, we promise not to make too many bad spinach jokes. But seriously, have you ever wondered if eating spinach every day could give you Popeye-like strength? You know, like the cartoon character who could lift heavy objects and outdo his opponents in physical challenges after chowing down on a can of the leafy green stuff. Well, we're here to set the record straight and find out if eating spinach every day can actually make you stronger. We'll also explore the other potential health benefits of spinach, as well as some things to consider before adding it to your daily diet. So, without further ado, let's find out if spinach really is the ultimate superfood. First of all, you would probably become the envy of every rabbit in the neighborhood. They would come from miles around just to get a glimpse of your luscious, leafy greens. You would be the talk of the bunny town. But seriously, there are actually some pretty impressive benefits to eating spinach every day. For one, you would become a verifiable ironman, or ironwoman if that's more your thing. Spinach is packed with iron, which helps to produce red blood cells and deliver oxygen to the body's tissues. You would have so much energy, you might not even need coffee in the morning. And that's not all. Spinach is also high in fiber, which helps with digestion and can prevent constipation. So you would probably never have to worry about awkward bathroom moments again. While we are at it, let's not forget about the benefits to your heart health. Spinach is rich in antioxidants and has anti-inflammatory properties, which can reduce the risk of heart disease. Plus, it's high in folate, which helps to lower levels of homocysteine, a compound linked to heart disease. You could be the poster child for heart health. But perhaps the most impressive benefit of eating spinach every day is its ability to make you a weight loss machine. It's low in calories and high in nutrients, making it a great choice for those looking to shed some pounds. Plus, it's high in fiber, which can help you feel full and satisfied, preventing you from overeating. You could be that person who can eat all the spinach they want and never gain a pound. So, there you have it. Eating spinach every day may not make you a superhero, but it could definitely give you some superhero-like qualities. And who knows, maybe it will even give you Popeye-like muscles. We can't promise that one, though. So go ahead and give it a try and see what benefits spinach brings to your life.